Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm so excited to be partnered with Smile Brilliant with their at-home teeth whitening system. I am super excited about this because I actually love bleaching my teeth. I actually was lucky enough to get to bleach my teeth after I got my braces off, and I kind of got hooked on it. I love having a bright white smile. And for those of you who have been to my blog before, you know that about a year and a half ago, I went through the Invisalign process to straighten some issues I had after years and years of having my braces off. And now that my teeth are back perfectly straight, I am so excited to have the opportunity with Smile Brilliant to whiten my teeth again. I have used whitening trays in the past that my dentist made for me, and I've also tried Crest white strips. I do prefer the dentist version with the tray better than the white strips. The Crest white strips tend to cause a little bit of sensitivity, and I'm not as big of a fan of the results. I don't feel like it's as worth it as the dentist grade whitening. And that's one thing that I love about Smile Brilliant. They actually send you the trays to create the molds of your teeth. You send it to their team, they create the whitening trays, they send it back to you, and then you get to do everything from the comfort of your home. I just received my kit in the mail. I have a box with desensitizing gel and bleach gel, the 2 trays for my upper and lower teeth, and 3 sets of the putty that makes your impressions. So today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating the impressions to send to the lab. Like I said, I'm so excited, but I'm also super nervous. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this by myself. And we all know what it felt like to get impressions done at the orthodontist as a child, and it's quite a traumatic experience. So I love being able to do this at home, but I'm afraid to do it on my own as well. Luckily for me, they do send 3 sets to make 2 trays. So if I mess up once, it's okay. If I mess up twice, we're in trouble. I'm going to talk through each step and then I will do the step, but I'm not going to talk about it at the same time as doing it because a lot of the steps are very time sensitive. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to do it so that I don't get myself in trouble. It does come with a little instruction booklet that tells you step by step what to do, so you're not totally doing it on your own. Step 1 is to remove any dental work, bridges, retainers, anything like that, and to read the rest of the instructions. So I'm going to take out my Invisalign because I currently have my lower tray in, and we'll get started for step 2. Invisalign tray is out, and step 2 is to mix the catalyst and the base pastes together. One is blue, one is white. We are going to mix them until they are a uniform blue color. The trick is we have less than 60 seconds to make the magic happen. Once that is done, we're going to roll it into a little worm shape and put the little worm shape into the blue tray thing. We have to do that step in 30 seconds or less. Once that is done, I'm going to put the tray in my mouth and push it up into my teeth. I am not going to bite down. When you bite down, it changes the structure of everything, and that's not what you want for your trays. So I am just going to gently push it up to my teeth and press evenly with my fingers on the bottom of the tray. If any blue stuff comes out the top, I am going to push it up onto my gums, pressing lightly with my fingers because they need to make sure to see where your teeth start and stop. You want to see the tops and the bottoms of your teeth. Then I'm going to let it sit for 3 minutes before removing the tray by pulling straight down, not wiggling. Again, you don't want to do anything that's going to change the way the impression of your teeth looks. Once I remove the tray, I am going to check it, make sure it looks good, and then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Are you ready? Because I'm still nervous. Let's see how this goes. I do have a little hand mirror here, and I have my computer here set to a stopwatch so I can check all of our times. The instructions do say that doing this in front of a mirror can make it easier, but unfortunately I can't do that and film at the same time, so I'm doing this for you. I have my blue and my white, and we are ready to get started. Ta-da! Okay, I think we did a pretty good job. Left it in for 3 minutes and then pulled straight down. It did feel a little tough and I can see why you would want to wiggle it out, but just keep pulling straight down. There's a little bit of suction and then it will pop out. A couple of things to note, do not take the impression out of the tray. You will mail it back in the plastic tray. Also, now I'm going to let this sit out for at least 30 minutes to dry. Do not place the tray immediately into the shipping bag to send it back. Let it sit out for a while to harden before you mail it back. Okay, I'm gonna call that a success and move on to the bottom impression. I think this one is going to be harder because the top impression was tough to get in my mouth and up onto my teeth, and my lower arch is smaller than my upper arch. So I think this one will be a little bit more complicated, but I know we can do it. I have my blue and white putties again. I'm going to mix them together, roll them into a worm, put it in the plastic tray, mold my bottom arch, and I will be right back. And I'm done. And I don't know why this makes me laugh so hard, but this looks like some kind of alien or something. And that's it. Both of my trays are done and they are ready to be sent into the Smile Brilliant team to get my whitening trays back and get this smile brighter and whiter and better than ever. Overall, that was super simple. It was actually way less scary than I thought it was gonna be. And surprisingly, my lower set was easier than my upper set. And I don't know if it's just because I was feeling more confident or because you don't have to hold it up like against your teeth. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is, but it was super easy. I am very impressed and I am excited to get my final trays back. Again, thank you so much, Smile Brilliant, for partnering with me. I have had a blast. I am so excited about this. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If this video helped you or if you just enjoyed hanging out with me, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I launch a new video, and I will see you guys next time.